தமிழகம் எங்கும் கிளைகள் கொண்ட அண்ணமால் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் ஹோட்டல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அண்ட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் படிப்பில் சேர்வதற்கான அட்மிஷன் நடைபெறுகிறது.
MCR Pure Cotton Club, formals and casual shirts.
பாரம்பரியமான சுவையான புது அறிமுகம் KTV True Value Groundnut Oil.
இதயத்துக்கு நல்லது கேர்ள் ஃப்ரெண்டா பாய் ஃப்ரெண்டா?
For heart, I think oxygen is good.
Why a girlfriend boyfriend? Bikini or night dress or nightie? Which shoe you will choose?
A bikini.
Your favorite South Indian food?
I love rasam. Oh my god.
Single life or committed life?
I think about single.
Live in or marriage? Which one you will choose?
I think living because we
Food street or pub party?
both know.
Menstrual cup or tampons or pad? Which you will like prefer?
Prefer a pads because
Are you proud to tell your age in public?
yeah, I'm very proud and
கடவுள் நம்பிக்கை இருக்கா?
yes, I believe in karma.
So I am with DD next level movie heroine Geetika Tiwari. She is also really next infinite level beautiful. Vanakkam.
Vanakkam,
So
vanakkam.
this show is mainly called Freak Penning. So I know for sure rapida tak you will answer. So ready?
Ready.
So your favorite junk food and diet food?
Oh my god, I can eat all the time avocados. I love avocados and junk food. I don't eat junk food.
Okay, no. Your 1 minute one skincare tip and one hair care tip.
I just apply lots good mousse. I love mousse for my hair and a face wash.
Model or actress? Which one you like your favorite thing?
A good artist.
Your go-to brunch?
I think olives.
Your favorite South Indian food?
Oh my god, I love that puri idli, which Upasna also eats a lot. And I like rasam. I love rasam. Oh my god. You just don't give me anything, just give me rasam.
Rasam rice with some potato fry.
No fries,
Nothing.
nothing, no
Okay.
rice, just rasam. Love
Okay,
it.
even Deepika Padukone also like rasam so much.
Is it?
Yeah, she always used to mention.
Yeah, she's from, I think, Bangalore, no?
Yeah.
That's the reason, yeah.
Yes.
But I love rasam. Oh.
Okay. So, free hair or kondai? In Tamil we say hairband like kondai.
Okay, no,
Which
I
one?
think free hair.
Free hair only. Okay.
It's easy.
Easy.
Easy to maintain.
And Nenchil Kudirkum you told. So, how
Oh
much you
my
like
God.
Thalapathy Avargal Vijay sir?
A lot of respect.
Okay.
He's a very great actor, and the persona, the aura, everything, like he's like unbeatable, I would.
His favorite movie? I mean like your favorite one from his movie?
Actually, I love his dancing in that film called Master,
Yeah.
where he danced like this. Oh my god, I really love it.
Tin-tin-tin-tin-tin.
Yes.
You
I
like
love
it?
Yeah. I love
Super
it.
nice. Okay, so like we have this bro zone, friendship zone like that, right?
Okay.
So which tags you will give for STR sir, Arya sir, and Sandanam sir?
I think a family.
Okay.
Yeah, they all are like really kind.
Okay.
They're really kind. They're good listeners, I would say. Whatever I say, they listen. So they're like a family.
Okay, so ஒரு குடும்பம் மாதிரி நீங்க என்ன சொன்னாலும் they will listen.
Yes.
So one unforgettable moment இந்த மூணு பேர் கிட்ட you learned or like you had one unforgettable comedy or anything?
Honestly, this whole film is unforgettable for me because whatever I have played the characters in this, like three characters, the shooting time, and so many things, whatever we have faced here, it's unforgettable.
Single life or committed life?
Single is the best life.
Why?
I can promote single.
Okay, but not ready to mingle, ah?
Not ready to it.
Not ready to
I'm
mingle.
very happy.
ஒரு பையன் கிட்ட உங்களை அட்ராக்ட் பண்ற விஷயம். One thing that when you see a boy that attracts you.
That we should ask a boy because everybody get attracted to me.
Bikini or night dress or nightie, which shoe you will choose?
Bikini. It's just like I think a loose short pajama or maybe a shirt or pajama.
One rumor உங்களை பத்தி வந்ததுல எனக்கு பிடிக்கவே பிடிக்காது. You hate the most.
I really accept the rumor. I really accept the negativity because it's others' opinion. It's not gonna affect me ever. So let them say whatever they want. That's it's others' opinion.
Yeah.
It's not gonna affect me like not at all. And I just take it whatever comes and I don't bother. I don't see my comments. I just don't. Take too much that oh my god they are saying about me. I'm just chill. I do my work.
So your morning skincare routine and night care skincare routine.
My morning care is just a face wash, I would say, and then sunscreen. Not really. And then a primer because we have to apply a makeup. And then night time, I think again a face wash and nice night cream and then sleep off.
Live in or marriage, which one you will choose?
I think living because he will get married to me, but I will be in living.
This is very nice. Okay. Bollywood or Kollywood, your favorite thing?
I think Hollywood.
Okay, so we have heard like for some scenes or something, full body makeup they used to put. So you're comfortable with full body makeup?
No, they have never put the full body makeup.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just for face.
One top 5 makeup products always you should carry means 5 products from your bag you have to pick up.
Laneige lip balm and Charlotte Tilbury the face and cheek glow and a mascara for sure and a hairspray or maybe a mist, a perfume.
Food street or party?
Both no.
Home?
I love home food. I like home food, please.
Pajamas nicely weared
Yes.
and having good
Oh,
food.
Yeah. That's all we needed actually.
இதயத்துக்கு நல்லது கேர்ள் ஃப்ரெண்டா பாய் ஃப்ரெண்டா?
For heart, I think oxygen is good.
வைடா கேர்ள் ஃப்ரெண்ட் பாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஆக்சிஜன் என்னப்படா கரெக்டா? கெட்ட கனவு உங்களுக்கு வந்ததுலே?
I think a snake fear. Saw some film and then after that I was just sleeping that night and I saw that nearby there is a snake. So I just got up and I'm like, oh my god, no, I don't want to see the snake film. So anyways, I don't see horror, no snakes, no anywhere like.
பேய் படம் பார்க்க பயம்.
I am very scared. I cannot watch horror movies.
Okay.
Like I cannot even watch dead bodies.
Then while you have audition, I mean like when you are like you had a project for horror movie, how you were?
No, honestly, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed that these directors, whoever I worked with, these directors, they never took audition.
Okay.
They never took audition because I feel if director wants to cast you, they don't need your audition. They don't need you to, come like a particular hair, particular makeup. The directors who I worked with, they are very good. They call me without makeup, without hair. They are happy and they just start shooting. No audition, nothing.
Menstrual cup or tampons or pad, which you will like prefer?
Honestly, I prefer a pads because tampons sometimes you will forget to change it and all of that. And I used to use it, and it's not healthy for a longer period. For some time, for swimming and all of that, tampons is really good. But I prefer pads.
So what about body shaming? What's your thought on that?
There's no body shaming. It just we have to accept, and other they will automatically accept.
So one weirdest moment you had in public? Nothing. Okay. Are you proud to tell your age in public?
Yeah, I'm very proud. I'm 26. 27 is running.
Oh wow! Give high five. That's so great. I think because now women are coming up and telling their age very proudly, right?
Yeah, like we are women, we should really proud. Like we can do so much. We can deliver. We can do homeworks and like houseworks and office works. So much we can do, and how the men came from,
Yeah.
from a women. So we should really proud of ourselves. Women are very strong.
So bra awareness is very important for women, right? You
Yeah.
have to tell something about it.
I feel you should not wear too much of paddings, like a heavy paddings bra, because of the heat and the material they contain. It gives you a harm. And just try to wear without padded bra. And if you want to wear it, wear it. If you don't want to wear it, don't wear it.
Very nice. Okay. And do you have like spiritual belief? Kadavul nambike irukka?
Yes, I do believe. I'm a very spiritual person, and I do believe in meditation. I do believe in universe. I do believe in manifestation. I'm like really decent in all of these things. I'm telling you, like
Okay.
and I'm a little bit of superstition.
Oh, your favorite god?
I just believe in universe.
Universe.
Yes.
Okay, so you have this in the nalla neram, ketta neram, good time, bad time, like that you believe?
Not really. I believe in karma. I do believe in karma.
Okay, and what is this beautiful girl Geetika Tiwari meaning?
Actually, Geetika means it's a beautiful small song.
Oh, small
Song.
song.
Like how word comes from sweet words.
Okay.
So that means a Geetika.
Okay, super. We are done with rapid fire.
Thank
and it
you.
was so fantastic. And wish you all success ahead. And thanks for
you.
giving interview.
Thank you.
தமிழகம் எங்கும் கிளைகள் கொண்ட அண்ணமால் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் ஹோட்டல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் அண்ட் ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் படிப்பில் சேர்வதற்கான அட்மிஷன் நடைபெறுகிறது.
MCR Pure Cotton Club, formals and casual shirts.
பாரம்பரியமான சுவையான புது அறிமுகம் KTV True Value Bronatile.